If you could have anything printed on the pillows in your bedroom, what would it be? Maybe surfers catching some gnarly waves, a group of dragons breathing fire, or the constellations in the night sky. Here at Spoonflower, we print anything you can imagine onto fabric, wallpaper, and home decor. With over 1 million designs created by artists around the world waiting for you on our website, the possibilities are endless. Plus, you can even upload and print your own art and photos. But before we get to all the fun stuff happening at Spoonflower, I need to introduce myself. I'm Alexa, and I'm Spoonflower's Maker Community Manager. I'll be your guide as we look at how to take artwork and turn it into custom fabric, home decor, and wallpaper sent right to your home from our Durham, North Carolina factory. This journey starts in the studio of artist Samarra Khaja, also known as Sammyk on Spoonflower. Let's head over to the Big Apple to see what idea she's working on today.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Coretta, and this is Javier, and I'm Samarra, and you caught us in the middle of brainstorming new design ideas. How do I come up with my ideas? Good question. I'm inspired by everyday objects. They call it a landline. Getting outdoors and exploring the world. Stuff from the fridge. Thanks, Fridgie. Colorful collections of toys and trinkets. Okay, so guess what? Gertrude here and I have decided that we're going to design a pattern based on, wait for it, balloon animals. So now that I have my idea, it's a matter of figuring out how I'm going to create the design. And really, there are so many materials you can use to work on your pattern. You can use pens, paper, an iPad, things from the recycling, scraps of paper, paint. You can even use candy wrappers as your inspirational material for your design. I think I'm going to use my Wacom One tablet and my computer to draw this balloon animal design. Let me show you how I do it. So to create my balloon dogs, I've used 3 basic shapes. I've got circles, rounded rectangles, and I even snuck in little triangles for their noses. And using just those 3 shapes and just changing how long they are, how chunky they are, and building them all just slightly differently, I've been able to create quite a variety of little doggies here. I also made them transparent, which adds to the 3rd dimensional aspect of them, and they also look a little bit more like real balloon animals. The last thing I did, aside from making them all sorts of colors, was position everybody in all different directions. So when the fabric is printed up, I can use it for a variety of projects. I think this is good to go. I think everybody is smiling and happy. Let's go see how this looks printed onto fabric.
Samarra's studio sure is inspiring. I love all the colors she used in those balloon buddies, and the background made me think of confetti or sprinkles. Which reminds me, I have a friend who would love this design. It would look great as a wallpaper in her living room, a pillow on her couch, or as a bandana for her pet. Let's go check in with her and see what the next part of the Spoonflower process is.
Oh, hey there. My name is Sarah. My friend Alexa just sent me an email telling me that there's a Spoonflower design that she thinks my daughter Lila and I would like. Let's take a look at it in the Spoonflower marketplace. Ooh, I do like this one, and Sammyk is one of my favorite designers. What do you think, Lila?
I think it's really cool.
This gives me an idea. This pattern would look great as a pillow and a dog bandana. I'm gonna go ahead and get my order started so I can start making these things right away. Just a couple of quick clicks and we did it!
Order placed. Now we wait for Spoonflower to print and ship our fabric.
That's right. Let's check back in with Alexa in the factory to watch the rest of the process.
Okay.
The Spoonflower factory is huge and processes thousands of orders every day. Between fabric, wallpaper, and home decor, we keep our factory and our machines busy. Looks like Sarah's order is getting ready to print right over here. Let's go check it out. Once an order is placed, it's added to the print queue. One of our print operators loads the file and the printing begins. Each time this big print head passes across the fabric, it puts down lots and lots of tiny droplets of ink, eventually making a full design. After the fabric has printed, it goes through a dryer to make sure that all the ink stays in place. The fabric comes out of the dryer and is cut and folded by an operations teammate. Sometimes it's cut right as it is coming off the machine. This process is called team cutting, and it is very fast-paced and active. Some of our items get cut down by machine rather than by hand. For that, we use a machine lovingly named shredder. Once an order is cut, it goes to wait on the rest of the pieces in the order. We call this the CUBBY area, and we'll take a look at that later. Many of these items will eventually be sewn into finished products by our in-house sewists. Why don't you head over there to see what our sewists are working on today? The sewing area is where our team of highly skilled sewists takes the fabric we produce in the print room and transforms them into beautiful home decor products for customers all over the world. Today, we're here with Fran from the sewing department. Fran, can you tell us a little bit more about the sewing process?
Sure. Hi, I'm Fran, and I'm a sewing specialist here at Spoonflower. I work with a small team of people who specialize in a particular product. We work on the soft, cuddly blankets and curtains. So my day starts with getting my area ready, cleaning up, and then going to the ready to sew area and choosing the products I'll be sewing for the day. And then I start sewing. We always find it interesting to see what the designs are that people choose for their products. Sometimes I do a product from start to finish myself. And then sometimes we work more as a group where we pass things back and forth. One of us might start something and the other one will finish it. And then at the end of the day, after we've tallied up our numbers, then we go to take everything to the quality assurance area. And the sewing staff will check over all of our work and make sure that we didn't make any mistakes before we package them up and send things off to the customers.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm going to let you get back to it. Next up, we're going to see how Spoonflower prints wallpaper. Come on. Our wallpaper is printed on these big machines. They print 4 rolls at once. After these rolls come off the machine, they are placed onto these shelves in a particular order. A member from our team will then bring them to a cutting machine. First, they watch the items as they come out of the cutter, making sure they are up to our high quality standards. Next, the wallpaper is fed into the rolling machine, pops out, and gets labeled. Finally, it's passed along to our friends in shipping to package it up and get it out the door. We're nearing the end of our tour. Once our items are cut, they may need to come over here to our CUBBY area. This is where items wait to join with other items in the same order. Once the order has all items present and accounted for, it will head over to our shipping area to finish its journey to the customer. Come on, I'll show you. Here at Spoonflower, we use a few different shipping carriers to get our products to our customers. Some of our small orders may ship in a bag, while other larger orders and spools may need to get shipped in big boxes. We count on our shipping team to have incredible focus and attention to detail so they can ensure the customer is getting exactly what they ordered. Phew, what a journey! And that's the whole Spoonflower custom printing process. From idea to design to processing to the finished product, Spoonflower is here to make custom fabric, wallpaper, and home decor dreams come true. Thanks for coming along with us on this trip today. We'll see you soon. Bye.